So, I assume most people know what a tuck biscuit is. So it's that cheesy biscuit that come in packets we're all very familiar of. Well, this is like unknown tuck biscuit. So this is, if you can see this, Tuck World Tour Barbecue. So this came from Pound Stretcher. These are not UK market, as can be depicted by the fact that it's got SI and R and the rest, and lots of countries on here. I've no idea what it is, and not very, and no English whatsoever. Apart from a little sticker they've had to stick on to explain what's in them by the same people who bring us. God, my brain's gone blank for who makes these. The same people who bring us. Oh, poo. Biscuit name won't go out of head. Oreo, that's the one. Oreo. Over here. Kind of intrigues me having a tuck biscuit that's not cheese. So let's pop these open and give them a try whilst I make really weird. Packet makes really weird scrunchy noises over the microphone. Oh, come on. Come on, there it comes. Let's open this nicely. Nicely open this little packet. So it looked like a tuck biscuit. As you can see, they say out. It's because they're backwards. Wow, that smells like barbecue. That really does smell like barbecue. Well, barbecue sauce, to be specific. Obviously not barbecue because it can be many things. Here is a tuck biscuit. No screw. So let's give this a nibble. Have to say, that's a nice change. That's a very nice barbecue sauce flavour. Very nice. It's kind of different, which is good. Different is good. We like different. Well, not always, but I like different. But yeah, that's a really nice addition to that flavour. I would recommend these.